Hello, lovely people. It's been a minute. If you're watching this, I hope you're doing well. This is Serious Love Kitchen, the home of love and good food. And today we're making delicious, juicy, oven-baked chicken leg quarters. Enjoy. Here we have my marinated chicken. This will be your first step, marinating your chicken leg quarters in the fridge. If you don't have time, you could leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes before cooking, but preferably you should let it sit in the marinade for several hours. For my chicken, I used a homemade marinade mix, soy sauce and vegetable oil. The marinade blend consists of garlic powder, onion powder, Spanish paprika, chicken masala, salt, black pepper and oregano. Now, my mom taught me that the kitchen is all about experimenting, so feel free to substitute any of these spices and herbs with your favorite ones. Just ensure to give your chicken a good thorough rub before leaving it to soak up all that delicious goodness. Once you're ready to cook, go on and preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare your baking pan or baking sheet by coating it with oil like so. Now take your marinated chicken leg quarters and place them on the baking sheet skin side up. Before you put your bowl away, check whether it has any marinade left. Then pour it over the chicken. We don't want any lost deliciousness. Lastly, I sprinkled some rosemary onto the chicken because, I had it, and why not? We're almost there. Pop the chicken into the preheated oven and bake for 40 minutes. That's 40. After 25 minutes, paste the chicken with the released juices, then pop it back in to cook for the remaining 15 minutes. Got it? No? Just watch the video and do as I do. It's that easy, I promise. My chicken is done and it is looking and smelling like Christmas. By the way, I made this chicken around that time of the year, but I'm just now getting to editing this video. I need to do better, I know, because I have plenty of recipes I want to share with you guys. But for now, would you look at this? Oh my goodness. Not to be dramatic, but I feel like this is the best chicken I've ever made, and everyone should try it. You should try it. Go try it. It's so easy. As you've seen, and no sweat. Everything was just so easy. So please try it. You can have it with your favorite sides. I served mine with fries because chips and chicken just make sense, That's it from me today. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's quick, easy, and delicious. A powerful trifecta right there. And if you have no oven, no worries. I have other equally delicious chicken recipes that require no oven. So please go on my page and check those out. And yeah, it's been real. It's been great. It's been fun. Thank you.